Alright, so welcome back guys. This is Red, ang tawag na sa likod ng Kabales official channel. Welcome you all sa ating new episode for today. Okay? So, kung bago pa kayo dito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kabales official channel. And of course, guys, don't forget to share this one to your family and friends. Kasi meron tayong gagawin ngayon guys. Napakalupit po yung gagawin natin ngayon kasi meron tayong share na websites kung saan pwede kang kumita for $30 per hour. Okay? You heard it right, guys. $30 per hour. So what you need to do is just only PayPal or the valid Gmail address, and then you're ready to go. Okay? Of course, internet connections o di kaya cell phone and then laptop as well. So apat lang, PayPal, Gmail, internet connections at laptop. Okay? So how amazing is that? Diba? So sobrang lupit po nun. Okay, so but before that guys, ano ba yung mga services na pwede natin magagawa sa ganitong website? Tatalakayin natin 'yan. So wag po kayong aalis hanggang pinakadulo sa videong 'to kasi tatalakayin natin 'yan the later part, okay? So um so overview muna tayo guys. What you will learn here at the end of the video also is how to make $30 per hour. You will need have a services here guys. So sa um, first website that you have seen is user testing kung saan magsasalita kayo parang ganito lang, and then make sure hindi po kayo ano guys, hindi po kayo tumigil o di kaya may dead air po kayo. Kasi si user testing is actually a website kung saan magte-test po kayo na para kayong ano guys, para kayong manual checker, okay? So magsasalita lang kayo and then diretso. And then the second website also is services like graphic design, website programmer, transcriptionist. So kung hindi kayo mahilig sa design na yan, website design na yan, pwede din kayong mag-transcribe. Kumbaga, ginawa natin yung mga video na transcribe na yan, kung saan makikinig lang kayo sa mga pinagsasabi sa YouTube channel na host, katulad ko, then ita-transcribe nyo to English. Kunyari, Tagalog yung sinasalita ko ngayon, then mag-hire ako ng tao para sa akin para merong word ding na subtitle na nakikita sa viewers na English. So, yun lang po yung gagawin nyo. Okay? So, how amazing is that? It's very good, guys. So, what we need to do right now, guys, is we will go to our website for today. Okay? So, diretso na tayo, guys. The first website that we will tackle is user testing. Okay? So, user testing, guys, is actually a platform that is totally long ago na. So, napakahaba ng panahon sa user testing. So, which is really something like reliable and talagang maano talaga yung company ito. Kumbaga mabigat, hindi kaya malakas. Okay? So, it's actually trusted brands by Walmart. So, malaking brand din yan. Capital One, Microsoft as well, All Trails, Domino's, and Grammarly. So, meaning to say, this website hindi lang basta-basta. Okay? So, all you need to do is patience and of course patience and hard work, and then magbubunga na rin siya. So how it does guys is something like you need to target your audience on the diverse user testing panel, engage with it, discover it, and then share this one. Okay, so actually may mga training ito sa mga YouTube videos, tutorial kung paano gawin itong ganitong trabaho guys. So gagawin lang natin sa overview on how was user testing is all about. Okay, so 75 the company is customer centric, yet 30% of the customer agree. Are you experienced customer centric? Okay, so 75 is the companies that are thinking of customer centric. So nag-iba po yung ano nila guys, kasi dati yung nagawa na tayong video nito is actually yung user testing is pupunta ka lang sa website and then manual check for this one. Okay, so meron site silang ibibigay po sa inyo, and then pagkatapos nyan i-test po yung site na yon para magsalita kayo kung ano yung mga obserbasyon nyo sa website na papakita nila. Okay? So, it's English. Hindi naman kailangan mag-English, guys. Ang secret lang dito is dire-diretso lang yung salita mo. And then, walang dead air, kumbaga, parang ganun. So, meron po silang new ngayon. We have customer-centric. Actually, for today's world talaga is online, and then especially with this retail marketplace, the Walmart, kasi customer service driven sila kung anong kailangan ng mga customers, yun talaga yung target nila. So, dito kayo papasok, guys. And aside from that, that was really the thing na kailangan nyo gawin dito is mag real human insight. So, from the word testing, guys. Okay, so let's try to do this one. Get paid to test. Okay, so dito yung gagawin, guys. So, pupunta lang kayo ng, put up lang kayo ng email address and then check nyo lang and then apply. Pagkatapos dyan, bibigay sila ng email address kung kailan kayo ready ng test. So, wala po siyang interview face-to-face with the camera. All you need is ite-test lang kayo diretso. Okay? So, ite-test lang. So, magbibigay sila ng website, guys, and then magsasalita kayo kung anong nakikita nyo sa website in English. Hindi naman kailangan talaga magaling mag-English. Just only a little bit lang. And make sure tip lang is talagang walang dead air and then dire-diretso na yun. Pagkatapos yan, guys, part-time, meron ding full-time. It depends on user testing kung gaano kayo ka-active with them. So, it depends on user testing. Magbibigay siya diretso. Okay, so sabi nga application process, enter email. Pagkatapos niyan, once you approve, start the test right away and earn the real money. So, they actually PayPal and 7 days after completing the website test, all you have to do is that one, guys. So another one as well, guys, we have also the fiverr.com where you can sell your services like graphic design, o di kaya mag-hire kayo ng freelancer if you are a blog writer and then ayaw nyo na gumawa ng more posting sa blog nyo, gusto nyo i-automate. Okay, so this is perfect for you. Fiverr is one of the best leading international services online aside from Upwork, free up as well. Fiverr is napakatagal na po siya sa industry when it comes to online. So this is really a big opportunity for newbies going to online industry. Okay, so marami po siya, guys. Graphic design, digital marketing, writing translations, video animations, music and audio, programming, business, lifestyle data. So, but before that, guys, if you really want to do like serious sa online, sa focusing with online jobs like selling your services online, I highly recommended before nyo before kayo papasok dito sa Fiverr is that make sure piliin nyo mo yun ng industry na malaki yung kita copywriting, guys. Kung hindi kayo magaling sa copywriting, meron po yung mga course dyan dito sa Pilipinas kung saan pwede kayong mag-enroll ng course and tuturuan kayo step by step on how to do that. Copywriting malaki yun, guys, kasi ano yun, guys, kunyari mga Amazon sellers sa US gusto nila ipa-copyright yung product nila. Kumbaga, kayo magsasalita with the wording from the product itself. What are the benefits for the product and then how can it help to the customer? So, kayo po yung magka-copyright ng product yun para sa customer. So, malaki po talaga kita niya. And then, one thing also is mabilis lang yung client services. So, kumbaga, kung masipag kayo sa copywriting, mas malaki yung kitaan. And another one as well is advertiser. If you want FB ads, Amazon ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, malaki pa talaga kita niyan. And also, graphic design, malaki din yun, pero magiging saturated nyo yung graphic design kasi yung ano nyo dito, guys, is international siya. So, madami pong marunong talagang mag-graphic design pero what's really amazing is take a course, make edge kung saan kayo magaling. Wag lang yung diretso kayo graphic design at kukunin nyo lahat. Kumaga, graphic design, diretso lang kayo sa animation, graphic design sa mga anime. Okay, so that's really one how to hone your skills. And take a course also before applying or before rendering services kasi magbibigay sila ng mga very good tricks and tips and of course how to deal with client to make the services dito sa Fiverr na mas malaki. And also the same way that kind of this category, guys. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Okay? So that's what I recommend you, guys. And also and make sure you really need to Be serious on it, guys. Kailangan talaga nyo mag-invest ng internet, ng laptop. Okay, so if you are a family man right now na hindi nyo kailang mag-quit ang job diretso kasi meron kayong mga pinapakain, so I highly recommended you guys na um, kumbaga just take the job nga yung job nyo ngayon, okay lang, paano nyo lang yan, go on with that one. Then, dito sa online, what's really amazing, guys, you could be your own boss here. Okay? And aside from that, you could be your own boss here. And aside from that, it's your own time talaga, guys, kung how many hours you will rendered. So, take the day job and then this one's part-time. Then, once laki at lalaki yan, then magaling na kayo sa laro dito, guys. Napakaganda yung benefits. It's very rewarding. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you.